For the finishing tool, use light pressure at first and increase gently for the final pass to create a smooth, uniform caulk bead. When running the finishing tool over the fresh caulk, keep the tool angle at roughly 45 degrees and move at a steady pace to avoid overworking the sealant. Begin with light pressure to remove excess material and to prevent digging into the bead or substrate, then make a single follow-up pass with slightly more pressure to shape and compact the caulk against the joint. Use a continuous motion and avoid stopping mid-run, since pauses cause ridges or inconsistent profiles. If the caulk skin forms quickly, dip the tool in warm water or use a specially formulated tool lubricant to maintain glide without thinning the caulk. For larger joints, work in short sections and tool each section before the caulk skins to maintain a consistent finish across the entire run. Always inspect edges with good light and a magnified view if necessary to catch pinholes or gaps that need a touch-up before curing. Common mistakes include pressing too hard on the first pass, which digs into the bead and creates a thin spot that weakens the seal. Correct that by starting light and reserving firmer pressure for the final shaping pass. Another frequent issue is moving too slowly or stopping mid-bead, which leaves ridges and uneven texture. Keep a steady, continuous motion and practice the pacing on scrap material. The third problem is not maintaining a clean tool surface so old residue drags and mars the fresh caulk. Wipe the tool frequently or keep a container of warm water to rinse and prevent contamination. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors by connecting project needs with nearby professionals and showing community feedback. We also help contractors find work by providing a public place to showcase their services and participate in our discussion community where members share tips and local experiences.